Okay, yeah, I know where you're at. Okay. The only thing is that we can't take you home. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. I love you. Okay. Bye-bye. Did you hear that?
They like French onion dip.
I just asked you a question.
Oh,
never mind. What are you posting this on?
I'm not posting it yet. I'm gonna remove the sound from it and...
Oh, so I can say anything?
Not really.
Oh, never mind then. But look at this one over here. Just look at his paw.
Look at its head. It's got French... It must have been in the container. I told you.
What the heck?
Cracking me up. Ow.
What was that about?
I don't know. She just clawed me though. I think she
No,
just
she, like-
realized what the babies were into.
No, she jumped. Like whenever you moved her arm, whenever you moved your arm, she jumped.
She's black.
By the way, he's on the way.
Nerd.
Are you mad?
No.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Do you like him?